Heated debate today in the Senate confirmation hearing for Ketanji Brown Jackson.
She could make history as the first black woman to sit on the Supreme Court, but first, she's taking questions from senators in a process that is becoming increasingly contentious. NBC 10's Lauren Mayk is bringing us up to speed on what happened today. Lauren?
Yeah, guys, it is another long day for Judge Jackson today, and things did seem to get more heated with senators arguing with each other and about whether Jackson should even answer certain questions, not just about her own record, but about a previous hearing for a Supreme Court justice who could be her future colleague.
He was ambushed. How would you feel if we did that to you?
Some tense moments today during the confirmation hearing for Judge Ketanji Brown Jackson, as Senator Lindsey Graham made it clear some Republicans are still upset with how now Justice Brett Kavanaugh was treated during his nomination.
Senator Sheets had nothing to do with the cause.
No, but I'm asking her about how she may feel about what y'all did.
Senator, your time has expired.
I was in Washington during the contentious Kavanaugh hearings and talked to Senator Graham on Capitol Hill.
Will this be enough for some Republicans not to vote for her?
Well, let me put it this way to my Republican colleagues. If this becomes the new standard, where you have an accusation for weeks, you drop it right before the hearing.
Graham frustrated that day about how an accusation against Kavanaugh was revealed. Today, Jackson trying to put the focus back on her record, which continued to be under scrutiny.
Just answer the question.
Senator, I don't have any comment on what procedures took place in this body regarding
What'd you think about the Kavanaugh hearing?
What I'd like to answer is your points about my sentencings in child pornography cases.
Judge Jackson explaining how she's handled cases.
On the other side of their terms of imprisonment, I ensured that they were facing lengthy periods of supervision and restrictions on their computer use so they could not do this sort of thing again. That's what Congress has required of judges, and that's what I did in every case.
This was day 3 of confirmation hearings that could make Judge Jackson the first black woman to sit on the Supreme Court. Today explaining why diversity within the judicial branch is important, saying it lends people confidence in the rulings.
That everything has been considered, that no one is being excluded because of a characteristic like race or gender or anything else. And that's important.
The hearing is still going on. Today, it is technically 20 minutes per senator. It was 30 yesterday, but not everyone is following that, and that is leading to some gavel banging and some shouting. We'll have more coming up in our next hour. I'm Lauren Mayk, NBC 10 News.